Pussy game, okay? She is cool naman. She is in Rio. That's right. It's Cinnamoroll. So cute. Let's play. I'll go collect all the first game test. Cause and let's play it. Let's see what is color. What do I rate it? I rate it to 9 over 10. Oh my god, look, it's so cute. There you go. Let's go play it.
Welcome to the first
Oh my
game.
god.
Garida. Uy. Tara! Kylie! Dito ka dali ah.
Next, oh my god, you can lose in there, guys. But next time to the part 2. Bye. This is part 1. Bye.